Advanced propulsion is about moving away from fossil fuels and the way that we currently move people and goods around the world.
So there's clearly a need to decarbonise all aspects of transport, and we've been really successful in passenger vehicles. But as you move towards more complicated vehicles, there's a real need to think outside the box.
APL is the Advanced Propulsion Lab, and it's a brand new lab at UCL East, which is in Stratford on the old Olympic side.
So at the APL, we're going to take the best of chemical engineering, electrochemical engineering, and mechanical engineering and combine that knowledge together so that we can really strengthen the approach that we take and provide new solutions for air, for marine, for road and rail applications.
The APL is incredibly interdisciplinary. We have engineers and scientists from every field coming to work together on this problem. So we cover things from the very materials that go into electric motors and batteries and fuel cells that would power future propulsion. We also work on systems level problems where we're trying to think about heat transfer, control, all of the things that you have to consider when you're bringing lots of complex units together to move things in an electric way.
We're going to be looking at developing facilities for testing and building new technologies. So these technologies will include batteries, they'll include fuel cells, power electronic systems, electrical machines, and then to combine that into a full propulsion system. Now, these propulsion systems could be used in many different applications.
So sustainability is core to what we're doing at the APL. We don't want to make the same mistakes that have historically been made, where we take something out of the ground, use it, and then throw it away. What we're trying to do here is to develop techniques to extend the lifetime of batteries and fuel cells, to maximize the value that they can get, and then to look to recover the core key materials that we use and recycle them into new devices. So the APL is going to cover all aspects of the electrochemical propulsion and future advanced propulsion powertrains. We'll look at materials and how batteries and fuel cells are manufactured, right the way up through to systems level. And we have some amazing new facilities here at the Advanced Propulsion Lab, including a large dry room with a full battery manufacturing line and full system testing for fuel cells and advanced motors.
The master's programs that we will be delivering as part of the APL, they build on UCL's world-leading engineering education program. We are combining practical experience with theory as we go along. The students will get to work on real-life problems, not just textbook examples. They will be working together with industry. They will be working very closely with our researchers in cutting-edge technology.
One of the aims of the Advanced Propulsion Lab and with its associated MScs is to produce the experts who are going to solve the problems in the future, who are going to produce the vehicles that have zero emissions.